Subscribe to TechMeSpot channel and press the bell icon and never miss another update.
Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to check Windows 10 build version. Okay, so in order to check that, you need to press Windows plus R key on the keyboard to bring this run window. Okay, and here you need to type this WINVER. Okay, and click on this OK button, and here you can see that I can see my version, that is 1803 OS build 17134.112. okay, so your version might be different. So guys, that's it. In this way you can easily find a build version of your Windows 10 operating system very easily. Hope this tutorial helps. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.